vlog. Today we are out in Cape Town and I thought let's do some car spotting. So first up, this beautiful spec RSQ8, also known as the Urus's cousin, and in my opinion the better looking cousin. I mean, look at the spec. If you wanted the spec for RSQ8, I don't think you could have done anything better than this. So just a little bit further down from the RSQ8, look what we have over here. Two beautifully spec'd 600 LTs, and in my opinion one of the best features from McLaren, you know, the top exit exhaust which spit flames like crazy flames. And I mean, look at this spec. It's got carbon all over. I don't know if you can see well on the camera. I got a carbon back, which I pretty much like. This one extremely clean. Over here not so clean but dusty, but still great to look at. I mean, look at the carbon details on these cars. Carbon roof, carbon accents on the door handles, and wow, look at the rims. Definitely a spec I would get. I mean, just look at them. And then a bit further down we got something even more interesting, but let me take you there. So before I get to what I really want to show you, over here we got another McLaren. I think I'm just going to focus on the McLarens because they're my favorite car, and I think this is definitely one of my favorites. It's 650S, sorry, and I really like this one. Love the spec. But on to what I really wanted to show you is this, the new Lotus Emira. I don't even know how many people have actually spotted this in the country. And I mean, look at it, just parking in all its glory. Some details over here, Emira Edition 1. And damn, I've seen videos of this one, and that sounds absolutely amazing. I don't know why it's picking up on the camera, but just look at this full rear end. Definitely one of the cars with the best rear ends I've seen in a while. So yeah, these are just some of the cars parked here in the underground. Over there we've got a few Aston Martins, and over there next to the RSQ8 we've got a Rolls Royce element. But yeah, I'm not one that's very much for luxury, so let's see what else we can find.